Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand cooktop and it's giving you an error E122 or an error 122, and if it's giving you this 122 error, this means that, and if you do get this error, you'll probably see everything has cut off. And so what this error means is that around the touchpad area, it has gotten liquid in there. And this is not good for the stovetop because what can happen is it can create a short circuit which can actually fry your touchpad. So what you want to do to get rid of this error is you should, it may have cut off already. If it hasn't, cut your stovetop off, and then you'll probably see liquid around. You want to just get all the liquid cleaned up. Once you get everything dry, just let it sit and dry completely. Let it sit for a couple hours. Once that happens, you can turn it back on and see if it works. And hopefully you will have gotten everything dried out before you've actually damaged the control board, the control panel. But that you might not have gotten there in time and something might have fried, and then you're going to have to either get in here and replace or repair the control panel. But hopefully if you get everything turned off, dried off as quickly as possible with the error 122, you'll be able to get everything working properly. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.